Hello guys, I hope you are doing okay. Happy New Year 2025 to all of you guys. Success, health, happiness, and everything positive. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm from Africa and my boyfriend is from Asia. Okay, and today I want to surprise him and cook one Asian food, and they call it legume. Okay, so I tried to look a lot of YouTube video this morning to make this food, and I'm really excited. So please give me some grace. This is my first time ever doing this Asian food. I don't even know how it tastes, but I'm very curious. I like to taste new stuff, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, so all I know is that since yesterday he wanted to eat chicken. Okay, he was like, I want some chicken thigh or maybe chicken wings and everything. So, and for this legume, seems like you can put any meat you want. So I decided to do legume with some chicken thigh, chicken wings, and mix it with some crab because he also like crab. So this is the part for the meat, and for the vegetable I found this Asian spinach, also cabbage, and also this vegetable pear, they call it shallot. Okay, I went to a China store to get all these carrots, eggplant, and bell pepper, habanero, onion, tomato fruit, tomato sauce because I could not find any tomato paste in the house. So tomato sauce, garlic. I have also some thyme, and persil. And of course I will do, because I saw on the YouTube videos they have all like the black bean sauce on the side. I don't know how to do that. I didn't want to take the risk to take the raw black bean and boil it and everything, so I decided to cheat a little bit. Just like I say, I'm not Asian, give me some grace. I decided to go with the black bean paste directly, and I'm gonna add on it some coconut milk like the video and all the spice to have the same black bean sauce. So I took this just in case, but yeah, I'm gonna cheat to using this black bean paste for the black bean sauce. And of course I will do some rice, and he loves avocado, so I took avocado on the side. And for me, I love plantain, so I will boil some plantain with it. Okay, so when I see how to cook it, it's pretty simple for me. So let's jump in. Okay, wish me good luck. Okay guys, so what I did right here is just that I washed all the meats like the crab, the chicken thigh, the chicken wing, and then I will put it on fire, let it boil before I fry the chicken. I like to make it boil before I fry it. And I'm gonna put like African ingredient or African spice. Asian, they have their Asian spice, but I feel like we have almost the same thing. So yeah, I will just go ahead and use my African spice. It looks like Asian like spices, the same thing we put in there: onion, garlic, bell pepper, habanero, tomato, and persil, basilic, stuff like that, oil. So it's the same thing. I'm gonna put it in the meat and I'm gonna let everything boil together. Okay, so it's just that I will put it like this. My African spice will taste like Asian spice. It's the same thing. I'm gonna put it all over, put a little bit of water, and let everything boil. Okay, you guys, we are progressing. The crab, the chicken thigh, chicken wings are almost done. So I'm gonna fry the chicken right there and then continue the process. So what I decided to do to make it easy for me, because I don't have big pot, so I decided to boil all the vegetable in another pot just like this. So you have here the cabbage, the eggplant, the shallot in here. So I'm gonna boil this right now, and then when it will become like softer, I'm gonna smash it or crush it and continue the process. So this one I am going to cook it on the side, okay, with a little bit of water. And I decided to make my life easy too, so I decided to right here blend the bell pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, persil right here. I'm gonna use it also in my sauce, and I'm gonna use the same mix in my black bean. Okay, so let's just continue this process. I repeat it, give me some grace. It's my first time to do it. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Adding a little bit of water to make it easy to blend. In the meantime, I'm going to do the rice. Okay, so we are cooking the rice right here in the rice cooker to go a little bit faster because he will come back from work very soon. I want to be done before he comes back. So rice cooker. Okay, you guys, for the black bean sauce, I decided to take this one, like the whole black bean, because remember I told you I'm gonna take the black bean paste, but the problem is that I didn't read it correctly. It says sweetened. I'm like, what the hell? So when I try it, it's super sweet, and I don't think this is what we want. So I'm gonna go ahead with the normal whole black beans. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit with a little bit of thyme and a little bit of this mix of spice like black bell pepper, onion, garlic, and everything. I'm gonna let everything boil together with also seasoning like Maggi and everything. And then after that, I'm gonna come back and blend. So let's go for this one. So you see the cabbage is still boiling right there. So we are putting our black bean there. Right, we are going to put our seasoning that I blended already. Bear with me, guys, this is my first time ever to do this thing. Okay, put a little bit of this, the thyme or the thyme, I don't know, in French we say the thym, so I don't know how you guys call it in English, pronounce it in English. So thyme, we're going to put that, and we are also going to put a half of a Maggi because I don't want it to be too salty. Half of a Maggi, and we are going to let it boil. Okay guys, so you know me, I tried to scratch it or mash it with the glass. It wasn't working, so I put it in a blender and I just blend like 2 times to have this consistency. And yes, I think that would do. Okay, that would do, and now we can continue cooking. All right, you have to find solution every time you are stuck in something. Black bean has been boiled with the spice, so now I'm gonna try to, how do you call that in English, like filter it so that we can have like a smooth bean sauce. And I'm gonna put it back in the fire. So you guys, here is this bean sauce. I'm gonna put it back in the fire, let it become thicker, and then when it will become thicker, then I'll add the coconut milk in it. And yeah, I think we'll be done with the sauce. Okay, put the spinach. Okay, and I will let it dry a little bit, and then I will put the chicken at the end because I don't want the chicken to be too watery. I don't know if it makes sense, so I choose to put it at the end when the food will be almost ready. Then I'm gonna put the the fried chicken. But yeah, I'm gonna put the spinach for now and mix it and let the legume dry. But inside here we have the crab already. The crab is okay for them to be in here, but for the chicken I prefer to wait a little bit. So we're gonna mix everything, let it dry, and we're gonna take care of the sauce, the bean sauce right there. Okay, so for the bean sauce, I saw on YouTube she put coconut milk a little bit, so I'm gonna put like the half of this one in the bean sauce. We put like half of coconut milk. Honestly, I don't know how it's gonna taste. It's my first time. So even me, I can't wait for this thing to be ready so that I can try it. Okay, so yeah, we put it right here. I'm gonna let it become a little bit thicker, and then the bean sauce will be ready. I'm sorry guys, I'm mixing with the other thing, but it's fine, it's fine. Give me some grace. So right here we are going to let it boil a little bit more, and it will be ready. I'm excited. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So this is the final result of my Asian legume with black beans sauce. So right here you have the rice, boiled plantain because I love it and my boyfriend love it too, black bean in can that I used to make this black bean sauce, and the legume with the chicken thigh and chicken wings and crab. So yes, hopefully it will be good. Thank you for watching it, and if you have any advice, any tip for me to do it better, put it in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it. See you in another one. Bye.